Recently nitukoretwo tuki-experience wanasiasa arĩa me opposition makinyitwo na history imeanza juzi na pale hivyo nituronire Salasia akinyitwo na aranyitirwo ziara ciake cia campaign kuria akigeria kwaria na andu ake. It is being said that arenda kurugama president onake nionete ametosha mboga and umuthi ni kuma na cira wake haria na heo cash bail ya 200,000 kana bond ya 400,000. The same day ni gwakorwo na successful arrest of Trans Nzoia governor George Natembeya. No ni uhoro urakorirwo ukiriririo na Sunday turonire Rigathi Gachagua akiriririo horo ucio, Kalonzo Musyoka akiriririo horo ucio na maraugaga ati it has already been planned that George Natembeya is going to be arrested. Na muthenya wa umuthi twarikia kuona George Natembeya ni akorirwo nyumba ciake cikivamirwo ni thigari na the relevant authorities makienda kumunyita, na true to their word ni mamunyitire na under their custody thaici. Kunyitwo gwake ni kurehire thina munene muno. Ntonire kuria Trans Nzoia kwina maandamano manene muno, andu makiuga clearly showing they are not satisfied with what is happening. Na uhoro uyu ni utumite ndumiriri imwe nene muno that Trans Nzoia governor George Natembeya has the ground. Another person uria akoretwo agiface thirikari gukorwo after him ni Rigathi Gachagua ever since riria tuonire akirugoria kiama giake kana riria akorirwo akimention kiama giake ni giki haria headquarters. Ni tuonire kuma muthenya ucio ni akorirwo akiatakwo haria ni andu mokire gukorwo makienda guthararia mihango yo, na since that time tukoretwo tukionana on Sunday ikwe yumiririe horo ati hena thigari cikoretwo cigituma nigetha cikorwo cikimunyita, na muthenya wa umuthi ni akorirwo akirekereria ndumiriri a 12 minutes press statement some pages haria agikorirwo agitariria akuma riria ajire gukorwo agiethwo mathiko-ini ma boy flani kuria Limuru up to date, na auga ati mubango wa thirikari ni kuhuthira dawa nigetha aweze kumfanya achizi ama apoteze memory ama just something imhapenie kwa akili.
About 30 minutes, the killer squad was joined by their counterparts who are highly trained in the use of biological weapons. Their instructions were to poison me through inhaled chemicals that would paralyze my brain within 3 months. This was the intent and the purpose of the whole operation. My team and I sought alternative routes as guided by the deployed security personnel, majority of whom are our supporters and opposed to what is going on.
Just like what happened to Matiba. Ugo niguo arikiria gukorwo akihithuria muthenya wa umuthi in something that was a very big revelation. Now, why are these three people being sought after? Salasia ni akoretwo raise reactions nyingi muno guku nenda-ini. Andu ni makoretwo makirora wira uria akoretwo akiruta akuria constituency yake, and considering the fact that ni kijana na ni first time MP na thaici areyumiria na akauga ati he is going for the president seat, he is a very big threat. Na the fact that nituramuona agithie very many places, agithie new places na ni aramukirwo wega kuonania andu ni mamuwi, that is a very big threat. Korea Trans Nzoia nakuo George Natembeya is turning out to be one of the kingpins of Western region. Turonire Musalia Mudavadi ni akujire kiama giake ikiingira UDA. Papa wa Roma Weta, chama yake it's not that popular and can't make a popular party in Western region. Na kiama kiria kiratigwo nikio popular in the Western region as at now ni DAP Kenya ya Eugene Wamalwa. Eugene Wamalwa already ni aregete gukorwo akijoin mwena wa William Ruto na koguo na already ni atangathite ni marathi ku form coalition na Rigathi Gachagua na timu yo yao. yet he is the possible majority party in Western region. And William Ruto ndagitikira uhoro ta ucio. According to information ndakorwo ngiona from one desk called the Bombshell Intelligence Desk, irarikia gukorwo ikiuga ati thirikari ya William Ruto has tried to reach out to George Natembeya nigetha ikorwo ikimurehe hakuhi nigetha akorwo itawe niwe kingpin wa Western region, no akorwo mwena wa William Ruto. Na mucemanio ucio ni wahanikire na haria George Natembeya aregire na akiuga ati we ndekwenda uhoro urahusiana na thirikari ya William Ruto because that is a losing team. And I guess that is why William Ruto's team iragikorwo ikienda gukorwo ikimuhangaisha tondu kuratuika ati thaa ici ni anyitetwo na thaa ici anyitetwo guo is going to be given another offer. Is going to be given another offer. Forget about all those maundu macio matianga 1.4 billion. Forget about all those maundu macio EACC iragikorwo ikithuthuria haria Bombshell Intelligence Desk irarikia gukorwo ikiuga ati after this thaa ici thiini there's another negotiation that is going to go on. Na agirega umuthi Sudi na senator wa Trans Nzoia na ma MCA ni mauma na mucemanio, and guess what, the majority of the MCAs in Trans Nzoia County are UDA people. And so that meeting was to pressure or to force a possible impeachment of George Natembeya, just in case gwa thaa ici ona thaa ici aregane na uhoro ucio. That is a very big punishment. Na no tugugeterera tukorwo tukiona George Natembeya ego choose which side, kana is that story legit? And tugugeterera tukorwo tukimenya uhoro ucio because only time can tell. Rigathi Gachagua nake has turned out to be the kingpin of Mount Kenya. Na thaa ici it has also turned out that niwe urakorwo aki-influence ginya these other communities makorwo makienda gukorwo na kingpin wao. And turona the way Rigathi Gachagua arakorwo akinyitithania kirima, andu ta Western ni marenda ona makorwo mena mundu uranyitithania Western. Kuria Kisii nao ni marenda makorwo mena mundu uranyitithania kuu. So it is a very big threat. And again, ena maundu maingi muno ma thiini ma thirikari ya William Ruto. The other day on Obina Show Live, ntonire akirekereria maundu maingi muno ma kumakania na ma kugegania, maundu tutari twaigua na maundu na tutange imagine. So this guy has a lot of information iria angirekereria yothe, then it will have stripped the KK government naked. Those are the reasons why those three politicians marakorwo magiethanwo ni the William Ruto's government. Ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. Nothing in politics happens out of mere coincidence. Let no one ever lie to you. Gutikagie mundu gakuhenia ati siasa-ini maundu mahanikaga o uguo bahati mbaya. Gutiri undu siasa-ini uhanikaga hatari na gitumi kana hatari undu mubange uria marenda gukorwo makihingia meka uguo. So let's be on the radar. Ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.